Hey y'all. So y'all saw that I bought this liquadora, this personal blender from Hamilton Beach. I bought it from Walmart, and y'all saw it in my last video. Hopefully, if I do this in order, my arm shoulder already getting tired. So I'm going to make a smoothie. I have the fruit sitting on the table because I don't know how strong this is, and I don't know if it could really take like blend the frozen stuff, even though they have on the picture they have ice in it. And but I don't know. I'm like, I don't want to put the completely frozen fruit in there and then break the blade. I mean, I can always take it back, and I got the protection on and everything, but I don't feel like I'm gonna do that. Not especially after the first use. So I'm gonna go use it, and I'm going to shoot, and I'm going to show y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, y'all can't see what's in here. Well, y'all ain't got to see all that. So they have this plastic over it, the lid on the side, and then the unit, and the instructions. So read before you. I don't want to read this before I use it. Read all instructions. I'm not gonna read all the instructions because I don't want to. Because I want my smoothie now. I'm hungry, and oh, it's turned this way. Oh, I thought this was an upside down one. Y'all, I thought this was an upside down one. Oh, this is not the upside down one. Anyway, doesn't matter. But I do drink out of this though, right? How you take this off? Take the tape off it first. That'll be a good start. Oh, you just pull it off. Oh, so you don't drink out of this? So if you don't drink out of this, y'all, I got something I don't even know what I got, but I still like it. Okay, so why do it have a travel lid if you don't even drink out of this? Is that fake? Anyway, so I'm gonna watch this, and then I'm gonna put the fruit in it, and then I'm gonna take this in my room and plug it up because I don't wanna. There's not a lot of outlets in this kitchen, and I don't wanna go over there in that corner because it's uncomfortable. Just hold on. Okay, y'all. So my light went off because my phone does that. It'll turn the light off. So sorry about that. So, but you can, I mean, I'm just going to be putting fruit in a thing. Hold on. The cord on this is so short. I don't even know how this can reach any outlet. So I'm going to have to put the mixed fruit, pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mangoes. I hate that I can't get this stuff. You know what? Just cut it. I don't like when things have a tear thing, but then it's hard to tear. Like, what the thing? Just tell me to cut it. Shoot. I ain't even gonna try with this one. It's not good. Just kind of separate it a little bit. If it don't be enough strawberries in here, I'm gonna just put some of mine in it that I got. That's maybe I should break that up a little bit. Okay. And some raspberries. Get in there. And I'm putting some milk in it. Woo! Those raspberries are tart. Okay, hold on, guys. I don't know how much milk I'm supposed to put. Just put some. Just put it to 8. Put it to 8 ounces. I don't really like milk that much. I'm not gonna put that much. Is that good? I don't know. Okay, that's. Oh, it looks like it's more than 8. Clean up this mess, guys. Clean up this mess. Oh, I stained the cabinet. The counter. Okay, I'm gonna cover it up. I'm gonna take it in the room, like I said, because I think that it'll just make my life a little bit easier. So hold on. Okay, so the cord on this thing cannot be more than 18 inches long, but let's just go ahead and start trying to. You have to pulse it. Oh, you have to pulse it, or you can. Anyway, it looks really pretty. It says pulse. I guess you have to pulse it. Y'all, let me try it. Getting hot. Hold on. Y'all, I forgot to see if Walmart had metal straws. I had meant to, but I forgot. So let me see if this is really drink outable. So I'll just get the ones off of Amazon I was looking at. This smoothie is too thick to drink out of that. I mean, just put more water in it, I guess. But if I have to eat this with a spoon, I have to eat it with a spoon. It ain't too. Oh. It's too thick. I'm going to have to put some more milk in it. I'm going to put some more milk in it. That's why people be putting banana in it, because they ain't sweet. Did I have the lid on good? Oh, yeah, I can't see me good. Y'all, today's Saturday. Oh, that's better. I forgot I was going to put kale in this too, but I'm not drinking all this. Not at one time. Yeah, it needs some more milk. So it's good now. Oh, this would be great with potato chips. Probably because it has no salt and potato chips has salt. So it works. I'm going to eat with my chips. Or drink it with my chips. So that's it. There's the blender. The Cordota. Thanks for watching, guys. If you don't mind, if you have time, click on the links that are found. Click on the links that are found in my description. In the description of this video. And watch some of my other videos if you don't mind, and subscribe if you would like to. Yeah, post videos every week. Sometimes 2 times a week. Maybe even 3. Or sometimes 4. No more than that though. It has to be like a special occasion, unless I got like a short or something I want to put up. Something like that. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Please do good and be good. I'll see you on the World Wide Web.